Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. 2 Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the 350 V2 by Adidas and Kanye West Yeezy in the Onyx colorway. It comes in a Boost and 350 branded Yeezy slide-out cardboard box with the shoes wrapped in beige paper. No extra accessories come with this pair, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Whenever I'm asked, I want to buy my first Yeezy, I always recommend the Onyx pair or the black and red 350 V2. This is because all black shoes are easy to style and I get the most wear out of them. However, the Onyx does not have the red SPLY 350 branding on its lateral mid panel. Its muted all black design, mesh size strap and canvas heel loop offers a subtle contrast in texture. This all sits on its signature Boost sole that provides a bouncy all day cushion. It's easier to recommend the Onyx due to its current low resale price too. You can grab these for sometimes below its retail price of £200. Yes, the design isn't special, but if you're looking for a comfortable Yeezy that you can easily dress up or down, look no further than the Onyx. Size and wise, I recommend you go up half a size because it fits a little tight at the forefoot. My question to you guys is, what Yeezy would you recommend? As usual, purchase links will be in the YouTube description. While you're there, hit the like and subscribe and comment first to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss. Did you pick these up? Did you miss out or did you pass? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.